so excited today. But before I tell you why, I've got a question for you. What do drones and admissions have in common? Drones, of course, they take off, they fly, they give us a different perspective, a bigger perspective of life, of where we are, of the life of the area we are at large. And it's fascinating. It's what so many of us love to see, aerial photography, and it's similar in admissions. So many times, as the saying goes, we get stuck. We get stuck in the trees, lose sight of the forest, shall we say. And many times in admissions, we forget about the importance of looking from a bigger picture, from above. Hey, how are we doing? How effective are we with inspiring as many people as possible? And well, you know what? We can always be more effective. And when we look from this macro view, as some people call it, the 40,000-foot view, then we see, wow, we actually have a lot of areas where we can improve and get better and better. So I'm going to be utilizing the drone in my videos that I'll be sharing with you. So I'm gonna go to Best Buy now. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I started flying drones about maybe 5 years ago or so. I love it. I'm a drone pilot, drone videographer. I can't wait to bring you this new additional element to my videos. I'll see you at Best Buy. Let's rock and roll. Beautiful day. Drink in the air. I am here. This is it. There is Nirvana. This is Josh over here.
Hey, nice to meet you guys.
And he's the expert helping me with my drone at Best Buy. He's one of the Best Buy specialists. Here it is. That is the orange, beautiful bundle of joy.
Yep, 4K 60 frames per second, 12 megapixel camera, one of the best drones on the market compared to the DJIs.
Number one in my life was when my son was born. Number two, when I buy this drone. You like drones? You ever fly?
I personally haven't, but I wish I could afford one. I know some of the DJIs, the Evos are pretty best on the market right now.
I'm in Whole Foods here, and you gotta get nourished when you're opening a drone up. But first, we're gonna get a croissant. Here they are. Gotcha. I'm seated at the area here where you eat here. I got my setup here. I got my drone. I'm about to open up. I've got my protein, fresh hard-boiled eggs, a little tiny bit of quinoa. I got my hot sauce. I've got a croissant right here, and I've got a knife. You need the right tools to open up drones. So I got my knife here. This knife doesn't work so well. All right, this is the moment I've been waiting for. Here it is. I've got the drone here. I've unpackaged it and taken the arms, put them into position with the propellers here. I've got the remote controller along with my iPhone, which I'm going to connect shortly. Power up here. Hold to take off and land. All right, I'm starting the recorder. There we go. Okay, I've started the motors, ladies and gentlemen. There we go, maiden voyage. It sounds like a beautiful, giant, pterodactyl mosquito. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I am a professional. Do not try this at home. This is super important. All right, so again, what does this drone and my excitement have to do with admissions? Remember the first day you were hired in admissions? Remember the first person you called, the first student you talked with? Was that exciting? Was that fun? Brand new. However, over time, it's very easy to forget about the joy of it that we engage or we could engage with every day. And so as my excitement with the drone is a new thing, new element in my life, a new element I'm going to be adding to my videos, learn at least one new thing every day. And that will bring you a new exciting element in your life, in your admissions work that you can help even more people with.